Your home's exterior makes a powerful first impression, and nothing plays a bigger role in that than your front door. As the focal point of your home's facade, your door sets the tone for your property's style and charm. In Pell City, where Southern hospitality meets unique architectural tastes, a properly installed, attractive door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. But boosting curb appeal isn't just about choosing a beautiful door, it's also about making sure it's installed properly. Professional door installation ensures your new door looks great, works flawlessly, and enhances your home's value. Let's take a closer look at how proper door installation boosts curb appeal in Pell City homes and why it's worth the investment. A flawless fit and finish. Even the most beautiful, high-quality door won't look its best if it isn't installed correctly. Poor installation can result in uneven gaps, doors that stick or sag, and an unpolished appearance. A professional installer measures your opening precisely and ensures the door fits perfectly in the frame. This tight fit eliminates gaps, aligns with your home's architectural lines, and creates a clean, seamless look that instantly elevates your home's exterior. In a town like Pell City, where pride of ownership shines through in well-maintained lawns and charming homes, a properly installed door keeps your property looking refined and inviting. Showcasing your style. Your door is more than just a functional element. It's a chance to showcase your personality and complement your home's style. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of a classic wood door, the modern appeal of steel, or the durability of fiberglass, your choice makes a statement about your home. Professional installers can also help you choose decorative elements like sidelights, transoms, and stylish hardware to create a custom look. With expert guidance and skilled installation, you can be sure your vision comes to life exactly as you imagine, boosting curb appeal and making your home the envy of the block. Durability that lasts. Pell City's climate can be tough on your home's exterior. Hot, humid summers and occasional storms can cause poorly installed doors to warp, swell, or deteriorate prematurely. Over time, this not only affects performance but also diminishes your home's appearance. Professional installation ensures your door is properly sealed and weatherproofed, protecting it from the elements and maintaining its good looks for years to come. A well-installed door stays aligned, resists moisture damage, and retains its shape, helping your home maintain its curb appeal even through changing seasons. Adding value and attracting buyers. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, first impressions matter, and buyers notice details like the entryway. A beautiful, properly installed door enhances your home's overall aesthetic and creates a welcoming entrance that appeals to potential buyers. According to real estate experts, upgrading your front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to add value to your home. Professional installation ensures you get the full benefit of this investment, boosting both curb appeal and resale value. Peace of mind and pride of ownership. There's nothing quite like pulling into your driveway and feeling proud of the way your home looks. A properly installed, eye-catching door gives you that sense of pride every day. Plus, knowing it was installed by professionals means you can enjoy your home's beauty without worrying about future problems like drafts, leaks, or misalignment. Final thought. In Pell City, where curb appeal is a reflection of community pride and personal style, your front door plays a crucial role. But to truly maximize its impact, you need more than just the right door. You need the right installation. Proper door installation ensures your home looks polished, welcoming, and stylish while also protecting your investment and increasing your property's value. Whether you're looking to impress guests, attract buyers, or simply enjoy a more beautiful home, trust the experts to help you achieve the perfect look. When you're ready to transform your home's entrance and boost curb appeal, work with a professional door installer in Pell City to ensure the job is done right, because first impressions matter.